I'll show you on my Hummer. If we turn the key on, and this is the message I'm getting: change engine oil. And if we look at the engine life, oil life, and if we look at right now, engine oil life is 0%. So I'm going to change the engine oil and oil filter. So let's get started. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my H2 Hummer. This is year model 2007 and this is SUT. And as you've seen it, today I changed the engine oil and oil filter. So it's very important, once you change the engine oil and oil filter on your SUT, then you need to reset, you need to change the engine oil life on your instrument cluster panel. And that's very easy to reset it. Let me show you. So we're going to put the key into number 1 position. As you see, it's still showing engine oil life 0%. What do you need to do? This is where you move up and down. Then you press it. Once you do this, then you press it, the oil life shows up. Then you press this button. Keep pressing it until it flickers oil life reset. And now the engine oil life says 100%. That's it. So as you've seen it, it's very easy and simple to do it, but it's very important. After changing the engine oil and oil filter on your Hummer, you need to reset your engine oil life. If you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.